As of September 2025, Simple Mobile, a prepaid carrier operating on T-Mobile's network, does not offer native visual voicemail. This means you won't find a built-in VVM feature in your Simple Mobile phone's dialer app. Instead of seeing voicemail messages transcribed as text and being able to play them in any order, you'll have to use the traditional method of dialing 86 or your assigned voicemail access code to check your messages. While T-Mobile, the underlying network provider, offers robust VVM to its direct customers, this functionality is not extended to Simple Mobile subscribers. If you want VVM on Simple Mobile, you'll need to consider alternative solutions. This is the current situation with Simple Mobile and Visual Voicemail. Since Simple Mobile doesn't natively support visual voicemail, here are your options for achieving it. Third-party apps like YouMail and Google Voicemail are popular choices. Download one of these apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Configure the app to handle your voicemails within your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Call, then Voicemail, Advanced, and Service. If you haven't already set up voicemail, dial *86 from your Simple Mobile phone and follow the prompts to create a PIN and personalize your greeting. Remember that using third-party apps means those apps will have access to your voicemail data, so review their privacy policies carefully. Ensure your phone is compatible with Simple Mobile's network. Typically unlock GSM devices supporting T-Mobile's LTE and 5G bands.